Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up PayPal test accounts in the PayPal Sandbox. To start with, before you can create PayPal test accounts in the Sandbox, you must have an existing personal or business account. If you don't have one yet, you can go to the link on the screen to create an account. That's paypal.com/signup/account. Just choose business or personal, then click continue and follow the instructions. I won't spend much time on this. I'll assume you already have a PayPal account. What I'd like to focus on in this tutorial is how to create a personal and business test PayPal account in the PayPal Sandbox. This will allow the simulation of business and personal transactions for testing purposes without having to use real funds. So the first step in creating these test PayPal accounts is to go to the PayPal developer website, which is developer.paypal.com. So you'll need to log into this site with your live PayPal account. And once you've logged in, click on Dashboard and then click on Accounts under the Sandbox. So these two accounts are automatically created by PayPal. The first will be a business account, which will have the word facilitator in it. This is the username. And the second will be a personal account, which will have the keyword buyer in the username. Just keep in mind that these email addresses here are purely used for the username to log into the Sandbox account for each of these. So don't get confused, they're not actual email addresses. If you would like to use this account in this PayPal Sandbox, you can click on the arrow, click on the profile, and you can change the password here. And you'll notice the funding has a balance of $9,999 USD. This is test money that you can use for test transactions. To check the balance of this account and the transactions, you can go to www.sandbox.paypal.com. So let's actually log into this account. We'll use this personal account here. So I'll just copy the username. So I've got this website open, www.sandbox.paypal.com. So I'll just put in my username there and then the password that I set. And log in. So it'll look like this. It'll look like a real PayPal account. You'll see your balance and any transactions that have taken place. You can do the same for your business account. So log in at www.sandbox.paypal.com and it will also show your balance and any transactions that have taken place. In order to set up a custom Sandbox test account in PayPal, select Accounts under Sandbox on the left there, which I've already done, and then select the Create Account button. And then a new page will pop up. You'll just have to fill in some details, select the country, account type, personal or business. I'll just select personal, put in an email address that will be used as the username. So I'll just put test12349@gmail.com. I'll actually tell you if that's available. Yes, that's available. And then put in a password, first name, last name. Put in a balance. I believe the maximum is $10,000. And then select your card type and then create account. You can put some notes in there as well if you like. And then you'll see that appear here. I'll now do a summary of what we discussed in this tutorial. So a prerequisite to create a PayPal Sandbox account is that you need to have an existing live PayPal account. Once you have a live PayPal account, you can log into the PayPal developer website at developer.paypal.com. Once you log in, you'll notice that you do have two existing test accounts. The first will be a business test account, which will have the keyword facilitator in the email address. The second will be a personal test account, which will have the keyword buyer in the email address. You can set the password for each of these accounts and then log into sandbox.paypal.com to check the funds and transactions on these test accounts. In addition to these built-in accounts, you can create your own custom test accounts in the Sandbox. And keep in mind that the email address of these accounts are just the username to log in for these accounts. Don't get confused by that. So that concludes this tutorial. Thanks for watching.